Exercise 11.4, question number 2. Change the following statements using expression into statements in ordinary language. In simple language, we have to express these statements. So like here in first part, it is saying a notebook cost 5 rupees, a book cost p rupees, and a book cost 3p. So that means book is 3 times the cost of a notebook. So you just have to mention it in a simple language. So how you will do? The cost of a notebook is rupees p and a book costs 3 times the notebook. Then it will become 3p. Now here in some sort it is given questions they have given and you have to express them in these statements. Expression is given, we have to just express them in these statements. Second part. टोनी पुट्स क्यू मार्बल्स ऑन द टेबल. एक टेबल पे टोनी ने क्यू मार्बल्स रखे हैं. क्यू मीन्स वी डोंट नो द नंबर्स, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, 5 भी हो सकते हैं, वी नेवर नो. ही हैज़ 8 क्यू मार्बल्स इन हिज बॉक्स. बॉक्स में 8 टाइम्स जो मार्बल्स टेबल पे रखे हैं वो हैं. सो हाउ यू विल एक्सप्रेस इज टोनीज बॉक्स कंटेन 8 टाइम्स द मार्बल्स ऑन द टेबल. Tony's box contain 8 times the marble on the table. Assuming the number of marbles on the table is Q. Table पे जो marbles हैं that is Q and Tony's box contain 8 times the marble. Let's move ahead with C. Our class has n students. In our class there are n number of students and the school has 20 n students, means 20 times the number of students in our class. So in simple statement, how you will write? Total number of students in the school is 20 times that of our class and the number of students in our class is n student. In simple language you have to express. Now let's move ahead with D part. Jaggu is Z years old. His uncle is 4Z years old, means his uncle is 4 times of his age and his aunt is 4 times of his age less than 3. The way in our first question we did of the Sarita's grandfather and grandmother, in similar way you will express this statement also. So how we will write? Take Jaggu's present age to be Z years. His uncle is 4 times his age and his aunt is 3 less than his uncle's age. So आंट की एज तभी निकलेगी जब अंकल की होगी और अंकल की एज किसकी हेल्प से निकलेगी? जग्गू की हेल्प से. सो ओनली दिस स्टेटमेंट यू हैव टू राइट. दिस इज योर डी पार्ट. नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड विद ई पार्ट. इन एन अरेंजमेंट ऑफ डॉट्स देयर आर आर रोज. डॉट्स का अरेंजमेंट हमें करना है इन हाउ मेनी आर्स? द टोटल रोज इज आर. In each row it should be 5 dots. So how you will write? The total number of dots is 5 times the number of rows. Rows के 5 times होना चाहिए and we will write in like this. Take the number of rows or assume the number of rows as R. The statement, children, you can write in your own language also. So this was your question number 2, exercise 11.4.